Nothing makes me more proud to be a proud United States Air Force veteran, and today being November 11th, represent a brand that supports our troops and supports every American out there, which is you guys. So today I have a special treat for you. I have the one and only on-ground 2022 Newmar Canyon Star 3927. If you guys have done any research about toy hauler coaches, you'll know that this is the only motorhome on the market that is a diesel front-end pusher, not necessarily a pusher because the motor is up front, but that is a diesel Cummins motor with an air suspension. This is a big deal for all my friends that like to go out to the dunes, that like to drive dirt bikes, quads, necessarily just have a big bay in the back of the coach where you can take all the toys with you anywhere you want. So this special treat on Veterans Day by yours truly is going to take place right now. Follow me. Let's go. The front cap of the coach, as you guys can see, is striking. The Newmar Canyon Star, going through redesign in the last 2 years, has made that front appeal where that diesel motor is located absolutely powerful. Check out the color on this coach. As we walk around, you'll notice you have the black, white, and gray. Just to point this out for convenience sake, this is not one of the 3 options you get for the 22 series. However, if you guys were to order a Canyon Star, you can pick specialized colors because each one of these colors are from the different Newmar paint palette codes. This one specifically being custom ordered, meaning that there's not going to be that many of these on the market out there. So the 3927 floor plan comes with a variety of storage outside the coach. You have an outdoor television located in that second bay on the passenger side. So what's really nice about that is once you have the awning out and everybody's hanging out, you also have the game on. After a nice day of quadding or riding dirt bikes, everyone can kick back and watch X Games or something. So this coach, 39 feet 11 inches, being the toy hauler, is discreetly hidden with that drop down ramp in the back. And I'm going to show you guys and display how to open that ramp because it's pretty nifty and it is pretty easy. Alright, so what we're going to do is a quick demonstration on how to drop down that rear ramp. So when you're loading up the toys or you just want immediate access to that nice big garage bay, which is pretty much a second bedroom, it's very easy to do. The first step is to remove the rear ladder. Now, I have already dislocated the arms from the button bezels that lock in place. You have 4 sections where those buttons dislocate from the mid to the bottom. Now, once those are all dislocated, the ladder just pivots right off the roof. And wherever you safely put the ladder is your choice. But this is the first step before you drop this rear ramp down. Second step is stepping up in here where the actual latch arm is. And once this latch arm is unlocked, there's a button on top of the yellow lining here. You press the button down, pull down the handle, and the entire rear cap is ready to come down safely. So now, once the ramp is dropped, and fold it over, voila, you have easy access inside of the coach, easy way to get the toys inside and out. You do have that nice bug screen separating the point of access to the motorhome, and I know you guys are getting excited to see inside, but just wait. Once we go inside, I'll show you what this looks like. It's super cool. Remember, again, I'm going to remind you, there is no diesel motorhome on the market that exists that is a front engine diesel toy hauler option. Newmar is the only brand. Let's head inside. Let's check out the options. Let's get you and all those veterans out there motorhoming. Come on in. All right, so welcome to the inside of the 3927 floor plan. This coach, the wood, the option on this is called the Arctic Glacier. It's that lighter wood tones. The Magnum interior is also the lighter tones as well. That'll be the interior options on the bedding and the options on the balances around the coach. Very, very light colored coach. You know, that means, you know, with the big windows, you have a lot of cross lighting coming in and actually really let this coach stay lit up from the morning to the evenings, no matter how many trees are around or where the campground's located. Lighter colors are kind of the way of the future these days. This is a very, very open floor plan, as you can see. So where the camera's positioned right now, that's a driver's side slide that's pushed all the way out. This is a fully loaded kitchen with a residential Whirlpool refrigerator, has the ice maker, Whirlpool convection microwave, induction cooktop. So just like Newmar's diesel pushers from your Ventana series and up, Country Star does not carry the induction cooktop, but the Canyon Star that we are in does. And that's the true induction cooktop that is actually pretty nifty. Let me move these off to the side here to show you. What I mean by that is that this thing's removable. So you can take this out, plug it in outside, and use your cook space wherever there's a 110 outlet. That makes it really nice to not just steam up the coach with bacon smell, which I don't mind. I mean, who doesn't like bacon? You don't like bacon, do you? Just kidding. The TV on this coach, located right behind the booth dinette, is a drop-down dinette, so this is extra sleeping space here for the smaller people in our lives, and that's opposing the passenger side trifold Williamsburg furniture mattress inside of that couch. Fold open this mattress from the couch, and you can fit 2 full-size adults sleeping there very comfortably. I bet you guys are like, why doesn't he get to the toy hauler already? I'm excited. I want to see the toy hauler. We're getting there. Hold your horses. This is a residentially built, constructed motorhome. Let me give you one more really cool point to think about. This being, like I said, the only diesel front engine toy hauler. Yeah, I'm slowing it down for a reason. This is 75% of the Canyon Star sales from Newmar. 75%. That means that this is the most demanded coach from the brand, even just for that toy hauler option when they sell Canyon Stars. So as we pan down the galley space, I'm going to show you guys the residential bedroom. It's a queen size bed in there, which still is a great size residential size mattress, because once we get into the toy hauler, you guys will see that you have a lot of extra sleeping space in there as well. For people that are staying over, it's a second bedroom. It's a great usage of space if you don't have the toys with you as well. So let's check this out. Follow me back down here as we pass that nice set queen size mattress, Samsung Smart TV located in the corner, and huge hanging space for clothes right across from you. Dun dun dun, here comes the magic. Here we go. Step inside, step inside. We have the toy hauler. This is a 10-foot garage. That's what you guys are wondering, I know. The 10-foot garage will hold most quads and most dirt bikes, multiple items at once. This is an electric-driven bed above us. These 2 mattresses do fold over, and it goes up with it. So once you just fold these mattresses over, you can have a bed down beneath as well, which adds the extra sleeping space below. And it's the width inside here, the interior width is 95.5 inches. So imagine this space on the electric-driven tracks. You push all this up to the roof, then you have all that space in here. And here's another thing. Maybe you guys don't have quads. Maybe you don't have dirt bikes. Maybe you have a business on the road. Maybe you have an arts and craft business. Maybe you guys sell sweaters. I don't know. But whatever you do, you can turn this to an office space, build this an arts and crafts studio, whatever you want, and hit the road and sell all your items at any of these cool vendors everywhere and live out of the coach. This is the way of the future for you. Yes, you knitting right now, you too. So guys, think about this. This is perfect. There's an air conditioning system running to the back of this coach as well, all residential. If you pan to the roof up here, you can see that you have that centerline AC in here. And if we come inside the actual area, if you guys still want to have a washer and dryer, you can, because this coach is vented for a stackable to put back in this corner. So if you have a need to have your clothes washed all the time and you don't want to use those public facilities, there's a good location as well for putting a stackable. Other than that, guys, keep this in mind that this is a hot commodity for Newmar, which means that ordering these coaches and customizing them out is probably the best way to get one of these motorhomes. There's not that many out there. Like I mentioned, this is the only one that is showing up on the West Coast right now that is sold already. But I can put an order together for you, and we can work out all the details. Just give me a call at the number below or the email, and I would be happy to help you guys out. Happy Veterans Day, and look forward to talking to you guys in the future. Thanks.